In this video, I'll be sharing with you a requested tutorial on how to cut this stylish underbust cut together dress. Now to start, here is my pattern paper and I've marked out all my basic measurements. So this dress is a crop top and is stopped towards the waistline. So I marked the shoulder to bust, under bust and waistline. I'll start my measurement by marking my shoulder divided by 2. After marking that, I'll go ahead to mark 10 inches after my shoulder, which is my sleeve length. Now, the next step you want to take is to come down by 1 inch. After coming down by 1 inch, for the neckline, I'm drafting out the back. I'll use 3 by 1 inch. I'm drafting out the back before drafting the front, right? Now, that 3.1 inch or 1.5 inches for the neckline, whichever one you're using, go ahead to connect. Place your tape at the shoulder and connect all the way to that 1 inch that you have your shoulder slope. The next step is to mark your sleeve opening. Now this totally depends on how wide or open you want the sleeve of this dress, but make sure what you have is wide enough. So I'm using 10 inches and I'll go ahead to connect. You can extend this if you want more. So what I will do is to start connecting the other side, but before connecting, I'll mark the under bust circumference divided by 4 and add up my stitching allowance. Mark the waist circumference divided by 4 and mark my stitching allowance. Now if you're using 10 inches for your sleeve opening, or if you're using more, in case the sleeve opening is longer than the length of your underbust, that is your shoulder to underbust, you still reconnect it below it. So from the underbust, I connected to the waistline, and this is what I have at this point. I'll go ahead to use my marker to outline to make it more visible for you to see. After outlining, the next step I'm going to take is to go ahead to cut out my pattern, and we're going to mark out the lower part of this pattern, right? So after cutting this out, the next step I'll take is to mark or draw a line from the underbust. From that part, that will be the lower part of this dress. If you notice, the back of this dress has like a sheer effect at the lower part, right? So to add a sheer effect at the lower part of your dress, from that underbust to your waist measurement, you're going to add additional 5 inches in front. I'll add additional 5 inches, which I'll use my tape to hold it down. So sorry the camera did not get the full part of this video. So after adding that, what I'll now do is to go ahead to cut it out. So if you have this now, you cut it on fold. Then when you're sewing, you sew the elastic thread on it and it's going to come back to the normal length. You join it to the back of the upper part. Now after you're done using this pattern to cut the front, what you do is, to avoid wasting your pattern paper, what I'll do is I'll join the upper part back together to the lower part, but I'll remove that extra 5 inches I added for the ruche effect, and I will tape this together, right? So after taping it, so what I will do is to underline the underbust of my pattern. After I'm done underlining, what I'll now do is to connect from this point. I'll go up by 2 inches, then connect it back to the underbust of my pattern this way. You can also accede to the lower part if you wish to. So I'm just going to stop at the underbust of this pattern. From this neckline we have at the front, so I'll place my ruler and I will connect to this point. Now after connecting, this is what I have for the front part of this dress. Now if you notice, the original front of this dress has like an elastic towards the underbust, towards the lower part, which means you're going to slash and spread that part. But for the requested tutorial, the person doesn't want any ruche at the lower part of this dress. After I'm done cutting, this is what I have. Now at the upper part, there's a ruche or there's a pleating at the upper part of this dress. All you have to do is to slash open your pattern, then spread it out. When you spread it out, you're going to like pleat those parts to match the underbust of this dress.